Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to cancel Netflix autopay on app. So if at the end of this you found this open informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. The first one to do is go ahead and open the Netflix application. Once the Netflix application opens, you want to select the profile. So select your main profile from the list. Go ahead and click on My Netflix at the bottom right. Click on the menu at the top right, which is the three lines at the top right. Locate and click on Account. Once you selected account, scroll down and then click on Cancel Membership. Once you click on that, then it should say Change Plan, pause for a month, and then Cancel. Go ahead and click on Cancel to expand it. Now, to stop Netflix autopay, all you need to do is click on Finish Cancellation. Once you click on Finish Cancellation, this is going to cancel your Netflix autopay next month. And that's it. So, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.